Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from exercise 2.2 NCERT 12 Maths, that is related to inverse trigonometric function. Chapter number 2. That question is question number 10 equal to simplify the function tan inverse in bracket 3a square x minus x cube whole over a cube minus 3a x square bracket semicolon a greater than 0. If we put here a equal to 0, this term will become 0. So this term over 0, denominator will become 0. That will become infinite, not defined. That's why a is greater than 0. Semicolon minus a over under root 3 less than equal to x less than equal to a over under root 3. This is the condition which is given in the question itself. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to given that tan inverse in bracket 3a square x minus x cube whole over a cube minus 3a x square bracket. This is the function which you have to simplify. So here I shall write tan inverse in bracket 3a square x minus x cube whole over a cube minus 3a x square bracket. Now here you can see x cube is there. Here you can see x cube is there. Here x is variable and x cube is there. Here you can see 3a square is constant here, and here x is variable. Here also a cube is constant, 3a is constant, x is variable here. You know the formula very well. Formula, which formula will apply? That comes out to from this place. Here you can x a cube is there. Here 3 is there. So here 3x it will become. Here x cube it will become. So if you apply formula this one, tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula. Formula tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula which we will apply here. If you let here x is equal to a tan theta, so here I shall write let x equal to a tan theta. Let x equal to a tan theta imply that a dot tan theta equal to x, it will become implies that theta is equal to tan inverse in bracket x over a equilibrium. This is the formula I have written here. This is the formula I have written here. You must remember the formula. So here let x equal to a tan theta. A tan theta equal to x. So tan theta equal to x by a, it will become theta equal to tan inverse x over a, it will become. Now put the value here. So here I am going to write tan inverse in bracket 3a square x minus x cube whole over a cube minus 3a x square bracket close. Now come out to here I shall write equal to tan inverse in bracket I can write 3a. I can write 3a square. It is given 3a square. In place of x I can write a dot tan theta. Here I can write in bracket tan theta cos q, it will become q, over a cube minus 3a. Here in place of x I can write tan theta square bracket. This is the case which I have written like this. So here you can write tan inverse in bracket I can write 3a cube dot tan theta. 3a cube dot tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over, it will become a cube minus 3a tan square theta, it will become like this. Now what to do in this case? This is 3a. So here you can see 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, or here you can see a cube is there, a cube minus 3a, this will become, let us check whether this question is correct or not. I shall check from the book itself. Here you can see 3a is there, 3a tan theta. So here one mistake I have committed, you must note the mistake here. Here I can written tan inverse 3a square, in place of x I shall write a tan theta I have written, but here in place of x I have written only tan theta. So here it will take a tan theta, here it will take a tan theta, a dot tan theta का whole cube it will become, because here you can see x is there. In place of x I can write a tan theta का whole cube it will become. Here in place of x I can write a tan theta. I have written a tan theta or 3a square is there. Here also a cube minus 3a. Here also in place of x I can write a tan theta का whole square. A cube minus 3a dot in place of x I can write a tan theta. A tan theta का whole square it will become. And now here it will become tan inverse 3a cube minus tan theta minus here you can see a dot tan theta का whole cube. It will become a cube dot tan cube theta it will become. Tan cube theta it will become. And also here you can see a cube minus 3a. And also here you can see a tan theta का whole square. So here it will become minus 3a dot a square. Or here it will become tan square theta it will become. Like this you have to write. And now further you simplify here. Tan inverse here write square bracket. So here you can see in first term here you can see a cube and here you can see a cube. So take here a cube as a common. So here if I take a cube as a common, so in bracket it will become 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta it will be. Bracket close. Whole over. Now here you can see a cube. This term will also become a cube because a will multiply to a square. So it will become a cube. So here a cube, here a cube. So here also you will take a cube as a common. So in bracket it will become 1 minus here a dot a square. So it will become a cube here a cube. So a cube has been taken as a common. So in first term it will become 1 here minus here a cube has been taken as a common. So only it will become 3 tan square theta. 3 tan square theta it will become. Again here you can write like this. Now what we will do next here? This a cube will be cancelled out. Here you will get tan inverse, open here with bracket. Here you will get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It will become like this. So what to do next? Next you can write very well equal to tan inverse. Here you can write very well tan 3 theta. Because you know tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So here same thing written 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So it will become like this. So what will get here? Here you will get only tan inverse will become 1 over tan. Here tan will be cancelled out. Here you will get only 3 theta. 3 theta you will get. You can write very well 3. In place of theta I can write tan inverse in bracket x by a. I can write like this, tan inverse. So here you have got 3 dot in place of theta. Here you can say theta equal to tan inverse x by a. So in place of theta, I can write tan inverse x by a. So that answer will be, I can write last answer will be, answer it will be 3 tan inverse x by a. This will be the correct answer of question number 10. Answer equal to 3 tan inverse x by a. This is the correct answer of question number 10, exercise 2.2, NCERT 12 math. The subject is inverse trigonometry function. Okay guys, thanks.